Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ashley with FlexiFuse, and today I am featuring our newest laser cut kit, Budgie Buddies, and I'm going to show you how to put it on this denim jacket. Like with all of my laser cut kits, I'm going to start by snipping out each of the tabbed pieces. Alright, now that I have everything snipped out, I'm going to start putting my cute little birds together. I've got a Teflon sheet on this board so I can iron directly to it. Just as long as I let all the pieces cool before peeling, then there should be no residue of FlexiFuse. Before ironing down, the FlexiFuse is not sticky or tacky, so I can move the pieces as needed. We're going to start with the boy budgie first. On the pattern, you will see that she has numbered each of the pieces in the order that they should be layered. Alright, now I'm going to start on the girl. Ever since we saw this pattern, we thought it would be perfect to put on a denim jacket or a tote. So for this video, I'm going to be putting it on a denim jacket. So I peeled them off my Teflon sheets very carefully, and I've placed them on the jacket where I want them to go. Now I'm going to iron them down, pressing and holding for 10 seconds. And then I am going to sew them down and do the embroidery embellishments. you can see that I've started the embroidery detail and stitching down around the applique. So here you have it, our newest laser cut kit, Budgie Buddies.